Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pivot table in Google Sheets. Pivot tables are useful when you have a lot of data and want to quickly summarize it without creating a bunch of formulas. So for this example, I do have a sales spreadsheet with the date, sales rep, region, product, category, units sold, price, and total revenue. First, you want to click just anywhere inside your data. So I'm just going to pick this spot right here. And you do want to make sure that your first row does have headers because Google Sheets will use these to build your pivot table. Next, we're going to go ahead and insert the pivot table. We're going to do that by clicking insert and go down to pivot table, and it will ask you the data range. It does say the sales data table. This is the name of this table we have right here, and it will ask if you want to put it on a new or existing sheet. For the sake of the video, we're going to do a new sheet. So now we have this new sheet, and now we're going to go ahead and add rows. And on the right hand side, you're going to see this pivot table editor, and under rows, we're going to go ahead and click add, and then we're going to select region. Now Google Sheets is automatically grouping all of our sales by region. And now we want to go ahead and add some values. So we're going to go down here where values is and click add. And then we're going to select revenue, which is right here. And we do want to make sure we are summarized by sum. Now we can instantly see the total revenue that is generated in each region. You're able to break down the data even further by adding columns. So now we're going to go ahead under columns and click add there. And I'm going to go ahead and select category. And now our pivot table shows the revenue for accessories and electronics within each region. If you want to filter your pivot table, then you can go down to filters and click add. And for example, here I can click on sales rep, and then now I can select which sales reps I want to include in my pivot table. So if I took out Jordan and hit OK, then it's going to get rid of Jordan's region. And that's how you create a pivot table in Google Sheets. You can change the rows, columns, values, and filters depending on what you want to analyze, and Google Sheets will automatically summarize the data for you. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new, maybe make a comment. I don't know, do something to help engage this video so we can reach some other people. Thank you so much. Have a good one.